Hello. In previous videos, we have solved question 1, 2, 3. Now we will solve question 3, 4, 5 and next of exercise 3.2. Let us take question number 4. First we read the statement and we will understand. Mrs. Kapoor has rupees 1,25,000. She bought a gold chain worth rupees 68,568. How much money does she have now? First we understand the statement, what it is telling. It is telling that Mrs. Kapoor has total money 1,25,000 rupees. Okay. And she bought a gold chain. Worth means cost. Cost of gold chain. She given rupees 68,568. Now what we have to find? How much money does she have now? Means how much money is left with her now. We have to subtract to find our required answer. Okay, for left money we will subtract. So let us start. Total money was rupees 1,25,000. Money spent on gold, or we can say cost of gold chain. Both we can write. Money spent on gold chain, which is equal to rupees 68,000. In our doing subtraction and addition, we can avoid commas, so you may not be puzzled. 68,568. Now money left. Money left with her. By subtracting, we can find the left money. Start from ones place subtracting. As all are having 0, they will take borrow from 5. Here we come with first 10, then 9, first 10, then 9, and in last in ones place there will be 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 8 we cannot do, so we will take borrow. Here left 1, here becomes 14. 14 minus 8, 6. 1 minus 6, again we need to take borrow. Here left 0 and here becomes 11. Now 11 minus 6 is 5 and here in lakhs place 0 is left. You will write rupees, as rupees is the unit. We are talking about money, so we will write rupees before the number to represent that it is money. We are talking about rupees. So our answer will be C has rupees 56,432 with her now. That was asked. So you will write answer in form of a sentence. Clear? Let us take next question, question number 5. Question number 5. First we see the statement. Find the number that is less than 1,000,000 5002 by 8904. Find the number that is less than 5002 by 8904. Means one number we will find that will be less than 502, means we will subtract 5002 from 8904 to get our required number. Let's do solution. Here first number, that is greatest number, we will write, and smaller number we will write downside it, and then we will subtract. Starting from ones place, 4 minus 2 is 2, 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 0 is 9, 5 minus 3, 8 minus 5 is 3. So our required number is, the required number is 3902. Hope you understand this question. Let's take question number 6. This was easy question. It was not difficult. Now let's take question number 6. That is also easy. What should be subtracted from 45,239 to get 39,687. Again we will read the statement to understand. What should be subtracted means the number which we subtract is called subtrahend. Means in this question we have to find subtrahend. From means munient is given and difference is given, means answer of subtraction is given. We have to find subtrahend. So subtrahend will be find it. I have told you so many times. Munient minus difference. Now write munient 45,239, which is munient, and difference is given 39,687. Now we will subtract and we will find subtrahend. 9 minus 7, 2. 3 minus 8, we cannot do as 3 is smaller than 8. So it will take borrow from the next place digit. Here again 1 left. First we will subtract 13 minus 8. 5. Now 1 minus 6. Again we need to take borrow as 1 is smaller than 6. Here left 4. Here becomes 11. 11 minus 6. 5. 4 minus 9. Again 4 is smaller than 9. So we take borrow. 14 becomes, and here left 3. 14 minus 9. 5. 3 minus 3. 0. That is our subtrahend. So our answer is subtracted. 5552 is subtracted from 45,239 to get 39,687. Hope this question is clear to you. This is very easy question. Let's take next question. Question number 7. Question number 7. Very easy. You can do yourself also. If the munient is given and subtrahend is given, find the difference. By subtracting you can do. So let us do. If the munient is 7,85,609 and the subtrahend is 71,564, find the difference. Very easy question. So let us solve. We know that munient minus subtrahend, then we will get difference. So let us start. First write munient, that is 7,85,609. Subtrahend, as it is statement question, you will make statement also, means important words you will write to show our question that what is given, what you have to find. That is 71,564. Now after subtracting we will get difference. Starting from ones place, 9 minus 5, 4, 5, 0 minus 6 we cannot do, so we take borrow. 10 becomes 10 minus 6, 4. Now 5 minus 5, in next place there will be 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 8 minus 7, 1, and 7 remains same as nothing here in left place. It is 6-digit number, it is 5-digit number. So in 6th place digit you can write 0 also. Write the digits properly, then you find your answer. So our answer is 7,14,045 is the difference. It was very easy question. Question number 8. In this question, difference is given and subtrahend is given. You have to find munient. So many times we have done. So it is very easy question. Question number 8. Difference is given. I am writing in short. Difference is given, that is 3,41,209, and subtrahend is given, that is 10,009. Now if we add both difference and subtrahend, then what we find? Munient. That we have to find in question number 8. We will plus 9 plus 9, 18. 1 will go carry. 1 plus 0 is plus 0. 1. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 0, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. And 3 remains as it is. So our answer is 3,51,218 is the munient. Hope this question you understand clearly, because it was very easy and so many questions we have done of this type. Let's take last question, that is question number 9. Subtract and check your answer with addition. Subtract and check your answer. With using addition. Yesterday I told you, today I will tell you one part of that. $94,350 minus 6,494. This is 5-digit number. This is 4-digit number. Already it is big. So first you will subtract by arranging the numbers in columns. First write first number, then second number. As second number is of 4 digits, so filling from right hand side, so 10,000 place will remain same. Remain blank. Now first you subtract starting from 1's place. At 0 minus 4 we cannot do, so we take borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now 4 minus 9, again we need to take borrow, as 4 is less than 9. Here becomes 14. 14 minus 9, 5. Now 2 minus 4, again we need to take borrow, as 2 is smaller than 4. Here left 3. Here becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 3 minus 6, again we need to take borrow. Here left 8. Here becomes 13. 13 minus 6, 7, and 8 will write same, because here is nothing to subtract. Now how we check our answer? Checking of answer. Using addition. What we did yesterday, that difference you will write upside. 87,856, and you will add subtrahend, that is 6,494. After addition you will get the same number, which is munient. If we get same answer here after addition, then our subtraction is right. So first add 6 plus 4, starting from 1's place, 10. 1 will go carry next. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 1 will go carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 1 will go carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 8, 9. Now you match 94365. 94365 means same number we are getting. It means our subtraction is correct. So our answer, that is 87,856 is correct. In this way we check subtraction sums by using addition. Hope you understand this exercise 2.3.2. all questions you will do in fair notebook. Okay, that's for the day. Bye bye.